Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to connect Sekiro to your gamepad. In case most of you haven't watched the video, check the link below. I dropped the video on how to connect the PS4 pad using the DS4 Windows. So go ahead and watch that before watching this video in case you don't know how to connect your DS4 to Sekiro, or your PS4 to Windows and using it for Sekiro Shadows Die Twice. Right, Sekiro, right? So I dropped the video and the video is really doing good for a new YouTuber on the internet, and I just want most of you guys to go ahead and check it though, in case you're okay with that and that is okay to fix your solution. Go ahead and check that out. But that's not okay, then this video is for you. So I'll be dropping a link on where to download the Sekiro game, and that should be the last option in case you can get it working with your controller. But this is all we have to do for the first time. So alright guys, so first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to download the gaming services. Check the link below in the description. I left the link below for how to install the gaming services. Go ahead and install it. Watch the whole video and make sure you follow every process concerning how to install gaming services. Go ahead and click the link below. I left the link below for the gaming services. So just click on get install app, because most systems don't install the gaming service. So just click on get. So it says you click on yes. Okay, I think it's downloading. So it says starting download. You can see it's downloading game services. You have to make sure you have this gaming services on your PC before you can play most games that supports Xbox gaming services. So guys, I just finished installing the gaming services. That's how you install the gaming services. Once you're done, it will tell you the game is the product is installed. Okay, so once you install that, still go to your download, right? Just click on all owned. Make sure you're signed into the Microsoft Store. Okay, you can see this now. I have done the first step. It still show you install, so you can still go ahead and click on, because this game services, it will be working definitely when it shows install. So still go ahead and click on the install. Okay, guys. So once you click on the install here, it will, once it's done installing, it shouldn't take more than 3-5 minutes if you have a very good internet. So once it's done installing, it will show open. Okay, so just that's it. You have it installed on your PC. Now, once you have that installed on your PC, the next solution is go ahead and open your Windows DS4 Windows. This is mine. All right, so this is the Windows right here. Uh, you all know I dropped 2 profile on the last video I made about the DS4 Windows. This works for all games, but it's not going to work for the Sekiro. So what you're going to use for Sekiro, this is a DS4 profile. So go ahead and click it, right? And once you're done, every settings there is applied. Close this. No, don't close that. So we just minimize this. All right. So once you're done with the minimizing, this is my Sekiro Shadows Die Twice. Go ahead and once you're done downloading the game, extract the game. You're gonna have something like this. Go ahead and cut this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. But I won't cut mine. So I won't cut mine. You can go ahead and cut yours. I'll copy and paste it in your local disk C. Just go ahead and paste it here. Okay, so that's it for this. So once you're done with that, exactly, um go back to your Sekiro Shadows Die Twice at your local C. I'm using my H, but yours should be a local C. Go there and click on the X360 CE. Okay, and I'm gonna just let it do its thing, search the internet. Make sure to display stones green. Click on finish. Okay, and just click on OK. As long as this is showing the green sign, you should be okay with that. Okay, so I'm going to click the up sign. Everything is working perfectly. You can see. And in case you're having a problem with this button and this other button, go to advanced. You can click on pass through, but I don't think I'm going to do any of that. No need for that since you have the DS4 on. Make sure this DS4 controller is on, and just go ahead and save. Click on the X. Make sure, like I said, your DS4 is on DS4 profile, right? Sekiro Shadows Die Twice, properties, okay, and compatibilities. You can see everything is just disabled, so I'm just gonna go ahead and run this real quick. You can see that sound means my pad has been indicated, and I'm just gonna start everything. I'm using the PS4 pad for this though. Alright guys, so go to your settings in case what I'm using right now is my PS4 pad, but if yours is not working, use your keyboard and go to the settings, okay? Go to the settings, scroll down to input devices. Yours should be in keyboard and mouse. Go back and put it in controller. Always make sure this is in controller, okay? Go back. Key config is okay. Control config is okay. Sound and display, everything is fine. So just go ahead and start the game. Alright, so this is the game. You can see everything is working perfectly. My whole controller, everything is working. And that is how to make Sekiro move. In case the first video does not work for you, this definitely should. If this doesn't work for you, let me show you the next step, okay, of what you do next. Okay, if this doesn't work, just I don't know the Sekiro you having, but if this does not work up, I'm gonna leave my Sekiro description in the link below. So go ahead and just come down here, click on download. You know, just download this. Once you're done downloading that, all you have to do is go ahead, get the WinRAR or zip that, and once you're done downloading that, like I said, extract the file. Once you extract that file, you're gonna get this Shadow Die Twice. Okay, go ahead and click cut this. Okay, I'm not gonna cut mine, so go ahead here, folder, you know, show more options, or if you're Windows 10, just go ahead and click and paste it. Okay, I won't paste mine because everything is working perfectly. Once the game starts working here and you're sure that the pad is working, you can take your Sekiro Shadow Die Twice and paste it in any folder. So that is it mostly for everything concerning this video, guys. Make sure to like, turn up the post notification, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Okay, subscribing is the most perfect thing ever, so just go ahead and subscribe, guys. So thank you for watching, and be safe to be on the website, guys. Just go ahead. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you on the next video. Okay.